So friends, I am showing you very interesting or very useful app and its name is Cortana. So friends, let's start. I am showing you how it is useful for you. You just click this mic icon. It is the bottom and you can speak any question. Then Cortana immediately open for you. Just go back and again. Okay, I will show you a demo. Good evening, Cortana.
Sweet dreams.
Wow, very interesting. Look, friends, this is very interesting app. Okay, I will ask some other questions. What is the capital of India?
The capital of India is New Delhi.
Look, friends, if you want to improve your general knowledge, then this app is absolutely for you. You can ask any question about general knowledge, about your passion, or anything else. Okay, let's do it. What is the time of
You might have to try asking me that question again.
what is the time in USA?
It's 9:28 in Washington.
Can you sing a song?
हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन। ओ मन में है विश्वास, पूरा है विश्वास, हम होंगे कामयाब एक दिन।
Oh, nice app. Very interesting. What is the time in India? What is the time in India?
It's 18:59 in India.
Can you open?
I keep track of the things you care about and help filter out what you don't, so you can focus on what matters.
Temperature in Maharashtra?
Right now, it's sunny and 36 in Maharashtra.
Can you open Facebook?
Here is what I found.
Okay, Cortana. Good night.
I've always wondered what sleep would feel like. I suppose I will never know. Good night.
Show me best places in Australia.
Here is what I found.
Look, guys,